Welcome back. John Boyd and Larry Warner are joining us from Bright Futures Joplin in studio here this morning, talking about a big event that comes up every year in Joplin. Yes. It's so much fun, the Guns and Hoses event. Yes.
So it's an annual basketball game. This is our 6th year, pitting Joplin Fire versus Joplin PD. It's a pretty intense game. They get after it.
Now we're talking basketball here, right?
We are talking basketball. Yes. It is a smack talking throwdown between the two departments. Yeah.
And I understand some of our KOAM's very own are going to be playing.
They will be playing. 2 of the ladies from here will be playing on the fire department team. Amber and
Yana.
Yeah. Yep. Didn't want to mispronounce it.
You're right.
You got it. Yeah. Okay, so they're going to be on the fire department's team. Are you guys playing too?
We are not playing. No. We are facilitating. That's what we do best. So it's a benefit basketball game for Bright Futures Joplin. Bright Futures Joplin is a grassroots movement that started just before the Joplin tornado to help Joplin students come prepared to the classroom, prepared to learn. It's hard to learn if you are hungry or if you have a blown out shoe or your clothes are not fitting well. So actually all of the proceeds from this will go to help them with either snack packs or to provide food or clothing or school supplies even.
Does Joplin Bright Futures continue its services out through the summer months too? Or
actually,
do you focus mainly on the school year?
Focus mainly on the school year. However, if there's something that comes up, a special need or whatever, we look into that, of course. You know, we will be available to do that.
Tell me a little more about like what you do for like the snack packs. How does that work?
So every week on Friday, well actually we fill on Thursdays, we have a set menu for that week and volunteers come in. Now listen, we couldn't get this done without volunteers and we always need volunteers as well. They come in and fill little bags and we send out about 520 a week.
Oh, wow.
To the Joplin School District.
That's huge.
Yeah,
that is
so
huge.
They fill 520 snack packs.
So the food, the clothing, like these are all great things. It's going to a community in need. And
yes.
When is this big game everyone can come to?
Game is Saturday, April 29th at 7 o'clock. The gates will open at 5:30. It's at Joplin High School. They've been gracious enough to host it for us every year, and we appreciate that very much. Obviously, we appreciate our sponsors because without them too, we wouldn't be able to put the event on. So we'd like to thank Roper Kia, one of our title sponsors, along with Freeman Health System, our 2 title sponsors.
And it's only $5 a person. Of course, you can always donate as much as you'd like.
Right. Absolutely.
Well, thank you two so much for coming in this morning. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.